Part 1. The Crumbling of Time. Chapter 1. Loss of Unity. Dances of love intertwine such graceful girls lit by the moon on these clear nights. Book 1, Ode 4. The Slowing Down of Time. Let's begin with a simple fact. Time passes faster in the mountains than it does at sea level. The difference is small, but it can be measured with precision timepieces that can be bought today on the internet for a few £1,000. With practice, anyone can witness the slowing down of time. With the timepieces of specialized laboratories, this slowing down of time can be detected between levels just a few centimeters apart. A clock placed on the floor runs a little more slowly than one on a table. It's not just the clocks that slow down. Lower down, all processes are slower. Is this surprising? Perhaps it is. But this is how the world works. Time passes more slowly in some places, more rapidly in others. The surprising thing, perhaps, is that someone understood this slowing down of time a century before we had clocks precise enough to measure it. His name, of course, was Albert Einstein. The ability to understand something before it's observed is at the heart of scientific thinking. In antiquity, Anaximander understood that the sky continues beneath our feet, long before ships had circumnavigated the Earth. At the beginning of the modern era, Copernicus understood that the Earth turns long before astronauts had seen it do so from the Moon. In a similar way, Einstein understood that time does not pass uniformly everywhere. Einstein asked himself a question which has perhaps puzzled many of us when studying the force of gravity. Einstein asked himself a question which has perhaps puzzled many of us when studying the force of gravity. The force of gravity. The force of gravity. Plausible explanation and found one by imagining that the Sun and the Earth do not attract each other directly, but that each of the two gradually acts on that which is between them. And since what lies between them is only space and time, he imagined that the Sun and the Earth each modified the space and time that surrounded them, just as a body immersed in water displaces the water around it. What does it mean, this modification of the structure of time? It means precisely the slowing down of time described above. A mass slows down time around itself,